Hello everyone, I'm Eric the Raider. Welcome to my channel where I review products for the common man. Today I will be going over the essentials for a motorcycle road trip. Before I start, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, the riding season is upon us. For myself, I'm planning a big ride in about a week or so. So for the past couple of months, I've been compiling different items that I feel that I will need on a long motorcycle road trip. This road trip for me is going to be the longest, over 1,000 miles one way. So I figure let me get some items together. I will have people with me, so I don't think I need to bring everything in the world with me. So, but I've compiled a list. First on the list is tools. Tools are very important, but you never know when you might break down on the highway. So I went with cruise tools. I picked this up from Tour Tech USA. This is specific to my Indian Springfield dog horse. What it comes with, I'll just show it to you. All right, this is a Road Tech IN2. It comes with 2 wrenches, which is this. Those are the axle wrench, the adjustable ply wrench, which is this. It comes with a combination wrench, three different sizes for my bike specific. It comes with the locking pliers. It comes with zip ties and wires and a bunch of other things. I'm not gonna go through it because I don't know what motorcycle you guys have or might have. But this is just an example of what comes in this kit. It seems very sturdy. It rolls up conveniently, so it fits tight in the bags. So pretty nice kit, I would say. This complements additional tools that came with the bike. I also got purchased additional flat kit, so just in case. So it's not in here, but this tool is. Hopefully it works. Hopefully I don't need to use it. So tools, definitely need tools, and I went with this cruise tools. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I don't use it. Alright guys, next on the list is a reliable med kit. This one, it's a motorcycle operator kit from Rescue Essentials. This setup came in a Ziploc bag, so I ended up purchasing a bag separate for this. The bag that I purchased was from Nutsack. This is a man bag, damn it, that's the name of it. The items that's in the medical kit is band-aids, a 3x3 gauze, a set of shears, 1 set of gloves. I end up adding 2 more, light sticks, compressed gauze, waist bag, triangular bandage. This is their tourniquet that they added, a burn dressing, sanitary wipes, SAM splint, trauma dressing, and this item is a cohesive wrap. I think I only seen this in the hospital. I never seen one of these before. So this is the basic setup I have for my motorcycle. The bag that I chose, at least I like this bag because I could fit all of this and additional items in this bag, and then in the off season I could also throw it in my car. It's universal in both the motorcycle or the car, so that's why I went with this bag. All right, So this is a second setup, a good medical kit, a decent medical kit where you go. Hopefully, you don't need to use it, but if you do need it, at least you have it. All right. All right, guys. Next on the list is a good rain gear. I'll be traveling in the month of April, which is a rainy month. So you want to go with a good rain gear. So I went with a Climb Forecast pants and jacket. The jacket comes with a sleeve that you could fold up nicely and pack both the jacket and the pants into. I got this from Revzilla along with the Dainese rain gloves and the Oxford rain seal over boots. I got this from a good friend of mine, but I've seen this on Amazon. I also have a dual accessory bag, and the rain jacket and the gloves fits in this bag where I could just grab and go in a given moment, so it works out as far as this. The boots doesn't fit in there, so I wish it did. It was a little bit bigger, but it doesn't fit. So this fits nicely in this DeWalt bag that I picked up from Amazon. All right. For all these items that I go over, I'll put where I purchased them from in the description below. Okay. All right. Next on the item, guys, is gloves. You want a set of gloves that you could switch out. Again, April is a month where it's going from a cold climate to a hot climate. So I have just generic winter gloves. It doesn't even have a name on it. I just picked it up from a leather store. So get your good set of leather gloves. I learned my lesson with that. And this is like a mid-season gloves. I got this. This is from Tobacco Company. Great gloves. Love them. This I haven't worn them yet and used them on a motorcycle. Is another Dainese gloves I picked up from Revzilla. This is strictly for summer, hot climate. All right, so these are my 3 set of gloves. If you do ride deep into the winter, then you want to get something with some heat in it or whatever. But I don't have that. So gloves, you definitely want a good set of gloves with you. All right, guys. Next on the item is a good jump pack for your battery. You never know when your battery may die. You may leave something on and you're left out there stranded. So you want a good jump pack. This one, Indian motorcycle, when I purchased my first Indian motorcycle, this was given to me. So I've never used it, but I always have it charged. I always had it on a motorcycle, so you never know. All right, so a good jump pack. As far as what's in it, it's just a jump pack and some wires, and that's it. All right, so you just try to do your research and find out a decent jump pack that works for your motorcycle. Okay. All right, guys, this is another item, especially if you're going on a long trip. You want a comfortable and safe helmet, especially, and if you're riding with a group, you want to be able to communicate with them somewhat. So this helmet is very comfortable. It's a Shoei GT Ear 2. He has a built-in integrated Bluetooth with Sena, the SRL2. So usually when I ride with these guys, I usually link up with them. I'm able to communicate. And on a long trip, you definitely want something comfortable. And this is definitely a helmet that's very comfortable, block out a lot of the wind noise. Along with this, I definitely recommend an earplug or something, and an additional set of visors just in case. All right, so I do have that on the bike also. So definitely a good helmet, along with a good jacket and safe pants if you're going on a very long trip. You definitely want to be comfortable on your ride. All right, so I went with this Shoei GT Ear 2. All right, this is just additional items, odd and ends like tie downs, earplugs, USB chargers and stuff like that I put in this bag. And that's, knickknacks. I could put a snack in here if I want, something I could grab and get to if I need to. helmet lock, and everything like that. Brake locks, just general items in this bag. Again, DeWalt picked it up. The bag I picked up from Amazon. All right, so it's good to have a little bag that okay, this is the bag I have all my general items in. All right, so definitely have that on the side just to keep organized and keep everything readily available we could get to. I did consider a fuel can, but I'm running out of space. So I know the other guys may have full fuel cans, and the route we planned out, they have a lot of gas stations. So I'm hoping that I don't run out of fuel somewhere in between. All right, guys. Finally on the list, it's not something that's inside the bags on the motorcycle, but I'm going on a long trip, so I'm going to need a bag. So I went with a Wolfman motorcycle luggage bag. It's an expedition duffel bag. It's a waterproof bag. I end up getting the large, which I think I end up getting it. I should have went with a medium, because I don't think I'll be packing so much stuff in this thing. It comes with a roll down top. It's not a Ziploc top or a zip or anything like that. Roll down top, and you clip it together. It comes with multiple points you could tie down on the motorcycle. The fact that it's waterproof, that's awesome. I still don't know what I'm gonna fill up in this bag yet. I don't think I need that much clothes to fill up in this large bag, but it fits on the motorcycle without hanging off on either side. But I kind of think it's too big for what I want to bring. But for the large, I fit 2 full size blankets in this thing, and it could fit my helmet on top of that. So this is good for people if you want to bring an additional helmet and a whole lot of stuff you could put in this bag. So I'm excited to put this on the test. But this is going to be sitting on the back of the motorcycle. I'm gonna see how it holds up. I went with a waterproof because based on other guys' experience, they had to put plastic bags over their bags and stuff like that. So I went with the Wolfman motorcycle luggage expedition. This is the large. All right. I do have other items that I'm gonna be bringing on the motorcycle, easy pass, stuff like that. But this is the basic thing that's always been on a motorcycle, even if I'm riding around town or anything like that. I would say the most important thing is tools and the medical kit, because you never know what could happen. Even just to help somebody else out, you never know. All right. Even if you have a vehicle, you should always have some sort of medical kit inside your vehicle just to help out your neighbor. All right. Until next time, guys, don't forget to leave comments and leave a suggestion as far as what else you think I may add to this. I haven't weighed everything yet, so I want to make sure I weigh everything and make sure the bike is balanced and also adjust the suspension on it. So that I have to do. Until next time, guys, God bless, take care of each other, and have a productive day. Thank you very much for watching.